Welcome to How to Run a Business. Learn how businesses work through inventory, operations, and planning. Inventory means the stock of goods in your business. There are 3 types. Raw materials are used to make products. WIP is halfway done. Finished goods are ready to sell. Lena makes pickles. Let's see her inventory. Kanku runs a grocery store. Her stock is raw, packaged, and ready to sell. Namita offers services. Her inventory includes materials and the service itself. Can you match the business to its inventory? Pause and try. Operations means all the things a business owner does to run the business smoothly. Lena buys, prepares, and sells pickles. These are her operations. Kanku checks her stock, buys from wholesale, and packs for customers.